Good morning, Room 1 astronauts. Today is Tuesday, April 7th, 2020. Say it with me. Today is Tuesday, April 7th, 2020. Get your journal out. If you need to pause, go ahead and pause. Get your journal out. We're going to write it all together. All right, guys, now that we've looked at the calendar, it is time to practice writing the date. Go ahead and get your journal out. Yesterday we did this page. We're going to turn that page, and on the back we're going to do our journal for today. Okay, on the back of yesterday's page. All right, so if today is Tuesday, April 7th, 2020, please spell it with me. Capital T U E S D A Y, comma, space, capital A P R I L, space, 7, comma, space, 2020. The abbreviated version would be 4, which is for April, 7, which is the day, dash 20, which is the year. Nice job. Yesterday we wrote about how we were feeling. Today we're going to write a sentence about the weather today. All right. We're going to start it with today. The weather is, and then I want you to fill in that blank. If you need to pause the video to go check the weather, go ahead. But here are some options for you. Is it windy? Is it rainy? Is it foggy? Is it cloudy? Is it sunny? Is it partly sunny? Go ahead and write which one it is, and then take a minute to draw a picture underneath to represent the weather. Now, you're going to need today's packet if you haven't already started your morning work. This is still in the pink Post-it packet. Your morning work is day 2, week 5, okay? When you take this off, okay, be very careful, because in this tiny little envelope there's a whole bunch of letters that we're going to use in a little bit for our Toggle Tuesday fun. So take the paper clip off and then gently set this down so that you can work on this. Okay, so if you haven't done your morning work yet, go ahead and pause the video and do that now, and we're going to go over it all together. Okay. All right, guys, let's go over your morning work. Correct the sentences. Number 1, don't spoil your dinner. Don't spoil your dinner. You should have noticed that we need a capital D here because the first letter of a sentence is always capitalized. Okay. We are missing punctuation. You can use either a period or an exclamation mark on this telling sentence, but it is also a bossy sentence, which sometimes we'll use an exclamation mark. Also, I see a contraction in here. Did you catch the contraction? Don't is a contraction, or 2 words put together to make a shorter word. Don't is a contraction for do not. Then, using your best handwriting, you can write the sentence. Number 2, is Jess a cowboy? Is Jess a cowboy? Again, the first thing I notice is that we're missing a capital letter on the first word of the sentence, and we're missing punctuation. But this one is an asking sentence, so it needs a question mark. Okay. Is Jess a cowboy? I hope you notice that if there's one more capital letter that we need to add in here. Jess is a name, so it should also be capitalized. All right, and then using neat handwriting, you rewrite it. Very good. Write the words for number 3. I see a cow, a mouse, and a boy. Very good. Okay, write the 2 words for this contraction. Number 4 says she's. Okay, which 2 words were put together to make the word she's? You could use this word to say, she's going to the store. If you took this word apart, what 2 words would you have? If you put she and is, you got it correct. She's is the same as she is. And then which one stands for Mr.? Is it capital M-R period, capital S-T period, capital D-R period, or capital M-R-S period? This one is correct. This is Mr., this is street, this is doctor, and this is Mrs. Great job, guys.